Hey guys, so last time we were doing your CSOX, so here we are going to continue with the CSOX. So you can see in the photo, the stage 1 is when it is confined to the cervix. I told you earlier, किसी भी cancer का stage 1 would be it being confined to that organ itself. So stage 1 is when it is confined to the cervix. Now it is for stage 1 is further divided into stage 1A and stage 1B. तो स्टेज 1A एंड स्टेज 1B. तो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी दैट स्टेज 1A इज़ डेप्थ लेस देन 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड स्टेज 1B इज़ डेप्थ मोर देन 5 mm. सॉरी, इट इज़ mm. सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग कि जो न्यू स्टेजिंग है फॉर सीए सर्विक्स, यहाँ पे योर डेप्थ इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. डेप्थ इज़ मोर गिवन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंस एंड विड्थ इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड है. So width is not included and depth is given more importance. Okay, so now your 1B is further divided into 1B is further divided into 1B1, 1B2 and 1B3. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, 1B1 is less than 2 centimeter, 1B2 is 2 to 4 centimeter and 1B3 is more than 4 centimeter. So it is divided like this because it has been proved that 1B1 जो है less than 2 centimeter पे we can perform radical trachelectomy. तो here sterectomy has not to be done and radical trachelectomy also only gives a better prognosis for it. So we don't have to do the entire hysterectomy for 1B1 if it is less than 2 centimeter. ठीक है, if it is less than 4 centimeter तो हम सर्जरी कर सकते हैं. Okay, till less than 4 centimeter surgery can be done, and in 1B3 where it is more than 4 centimeter surgery cannot be done. So that is why it was further divided into this 1B1, 1B2 and 1B3. Now coming to 2A2, 2A2 में भी यही है. 2A1 is less than 4, तो यहाँ पे surgery can be done till 2A1 since it is less than 4 centimeter, and in 2A2 surgery cannot be done since it is more than 4 centimeter. Okay, so then 2A was I told you earlier कि 2A is A for vagina, so it is upper 2/3 of vagina, and 2B is what, parametrium. B for P, 2B for P, parametrium. Then 3A is lower 1/3 of vagina. A for A जहाँ पे होगा vagina would be involved. And then 3B is extension to the pelvic side wall causing hydronephrosis and hydrouretum. Then 3C in both the two gynecological cancers, 3C is for retroperitoneal lymph node, 3C1 is for pelvic and 3C2 is for para-aortic. Yes. Then 4 further divided into 4A and 4B. 4A and 4B. So 4A is your A for A, adjacent organs, which is urinary bladder, rectum, and 4B is for distant organs like liver, spleen, and also your inguinal lymph nodes are included here. So this is all that we had done earlier, and this was just a quick recap for it. Now we are going to do CA endometrium, which is like much similar to it. So we'll just complete it here itself along with the comparison part between the both of these cancers, that is the cancer cervix and the cancer endometrium. Okay, so moving to cancer endometrium. Stage 1 is when the tumor is confined to the uterus. I told you कि कोई भी stage cancer का stage 1 would be it being confined to that organ. Okay, stage 1A is less than 50% invasion, यानी कि less than half invaded होगा वो. Okay, stage 1B is more than 50% invasion, तो more than 50% of the myometrium is involved. Now here you have to note that the serosa is not involved. Okay, only myometrium is involved. When the serosa get involved, the stage changes. वो stage 2 में it would involve the serosa. Okay, 2A में the serosa would be involved. It would spread horizontally, and your adjacent areas would be involved. So this is your endometrium. और यहाँ पे when it spreads horizontally, तो ये होता है कि horizontally spread कर रहा है to fallopian tube and serosa. तो यहाँ पे it is stage 2A, and when it spreads adjacent to the cervix, vagina and parametrium पे, it is stage 2B. Okay, which is in contrast to, no, we'll cover it later. So now the tumor in stage 2, the tumor invades the cervical stroma. तो cervix जब involve होता है, we told it earlier also कि cervical cancer में जब uterus involve होता है तो वो stage 1 ही रहता है. Okay, the extension to the uterus is disregarded, is what I told you earlier. लेकिन कैंसर एंडोमेट्रियम में जब सर्विक्स इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है then it becomes stage 2. लेकिन when it involves सर्वाइकल स्ट्रोमा. ठीक है, अगर एंडोसर्वाइकल ग्लैंड्स भी इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है तो वो स्टेज 1 ही रहेगा. ओनली इफ इट इज इन्वॉल्विंग द सर्वाइकल स्ट्रोमा तो देन इट विल चेंज टू stage 2 of CA endometrium. Okay, then stage 3. Stage 3 is your local or regional spread. So that is what I was trying to tell you there, कि यहाँ पे vagina parametrium involvement is stage 3B, which is in contrast to cervix cancer में it was stage 2B, right? We told you that stage